Sharing a conversation with others is simple, so a like helps if this quick walkthrough makes it clear. Look to the top right corner of the chat window. Click the Share button to open the sharing settings for your current session. The pop-up shows that only messages up to this point will be included in the link. By default, your chat stays private, and only you have access to it. Select the option to create a public link if you want anyone with the URL to view the discussion. Click the Create Share Link button at the bottom of the window to generate your unique URL. A brief loading animation plays while the link is being created. Once it is ready, the window updates to show the live public URL along with a button to copy it. Click the Copy Link button next to the address to save it straight to your clipboard. The button momentarily changes to Confirmed, so you know the address has been successfully copied. You can now paste and send that link anywhere you like. We have covered how to generate and copy a public share link for any Claude conversation. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful guides.